Alright guys, just Jimmy here from Cost Effective. We're just going to have a quick chat about these ProVent catch cans. As you know, they are a good idea, but a lot of people don't know when the filters actually need to be changed. As you can see, this is filtering quite a bit of blow-by gas there, and the filter itself is quite black, and as you can see, it's got a fair bit of oil on there. That's actually still good to use. Those filters are good until they actually, when they stop filtering, there's a pressure release valve inside the cap. When that releases, you'll get a real oily mess around the bottom of the can. So the filters are normally good from anywhere between 20 to 30,000 Ks, but when you do start seeing quite a bit of oil dripping around the outside of the can, that's when it's time to give it a change. Righto everyone, the other thing to remember is to always check the excess drain for the waste oil on these. Normally about every 5,000 K is the way to go. This one here has been about 5,000 K since the last service. As you can see, there's not a hell of a lot of oil there, but I'll tighten this up. When you actually do have a look, it's better than having that go back through the intake manifold. So yeah, keep an eye on that every 5,000 Ks. The last thing you want is that building up in the tube and then clogging the can up. Cheers.